Hello and welcome to this Solvemoji how to solve video for the Solvemoji Easy Classic Puzzle 7389. Let's get started. So here's our puzzle. It contains 3 different emojis, a shrimp, a dolphin and a fish. So that we can write these out as an equation, we're going to assign each of these emojis a letter. Firstly, the shrimp will give the letter X. Next, the dolphin will give the letter Y. And finally, the fish will give the letter Z. First, we need to start with the top line to work out the value for the shrimp, or X. We can then use this to work out the other equation. We can write this out as x plus x plus x equals 6, or 3x equals 6 for short. If we now divide both sides by 3, we will get x equals 6 divided by 3. Therefore, x equals to 2. So we now know that our shrimp is equal to 2. If we now move on to the second row, we have 1 dolphin plus 2 shrimps equal to 12. Remembering we have just worked out that the shrimp equals to 2, we can write this out as y plus 2 equals to 12, or y plus 4 equals to 12. If we subtract 4 from both sides, we will get y equals 12 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 8. If we move on to our last row, we have 2 dolphins plus a fish equal to 20. We can write this out as 8 plus z equal to 20, or 16 plus z equal to 20. This time, if we subtract both sides by 16, we will get z equals to 20 minus 16. Therefore, z equals to 4. We now have all the answers to the individual emojis ready to plug into our final equation. In our final equation, we have 1 dolphin plus 2 shrimp times 1 fish. Writing this out using our letters looks like this: y plus 2x times z. Before we write out the equation substitution in our values, let's remind ourselves of the rules of BODMAS. BODMAS is an acronym for the order in which you need to do different parts of the equation. I'll go through each of these in turn. B stands for brackets. If anything appears in brackets, it must be done first. O stands for orders. These are to the power of or to the root of, such as 3 cubed or the square root of 4. D stands for division, such as 2 divided by 4. M for multiplication, such as 2 times 3. A for addition, such as 2 plus 2. And lastly, S, standing for subtraction, such as 6 minus 3. It's very important to stick to these rules in order to get the correct answer. In our example, we are using only 2 of these, multiplication and addition. Checking the rules of BODMAS, you will see that we need to do the multiplication before the addition in the final row. Jumping back to our final row, we can now write out our equation as 8 plus 4 times 4 equals to question mark. Remembering the rules of BODMAS, we need to do the multiplication first, so we can add some brackets to remind ourselves that we need to work out the multiple of 4 times 4 before adding to 8. 4 times 4 equals to 16, so we can now write this out as 8 plus 16 equals to question mark. Therefore, question mark is equal to 24, and we have worked out our Solvemoji puzzle. Checking the Solvemoji solution, we can confirm that we have correctly answered the puzzle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like us on social media at Solvemoji and facebook.com/Solvemoji. Please also visit our website at www.solvemoji.com for more puzzles where you can play along online and compete in our daily, weekly and all-time leaderboards. Please like and share this video, and if you have any comments, we'd love to hear them.